going on? What's going on? Middleman Mentor here, back with another credit building video. Today I want to show you how I got this asset, no money down. It's going to pay for itself. I use it for marketing, and I'm going to show you how I get a little bit of profit off of this, but then I'm going to show you what my major goal is and why I purchased this vehicle. Before we get into that though, let's do a quick walk around. All right, guys, so let's talk about why I got this 2019 CLA 250. There's a few reasons why I purchased this vehicle. This is the third one now in my fleet. If y'all go back into the recent videos when I got the Impala and the Corolla, you'll see exactly how I ran that play and how I got that vehicle. But I wanted to go over, especially on this sunny day. Hey, cuz, let me check this out real quick. I believe in when you got a vision for things and you want to be successful, that you need to be around those type of images so you can project those things. That's for one thing. That's why we came out here, guys. I wanted y'all to see this. Another thing is, see what this vehicle right here is, it's going to pay for itself. I make a few $100s off of it, but when we get back in the office, I want to show you exactly how much I'm going to make off of it and why I really purchased this thing, right? But this car right here, this is what happened when I went and I picked up this vehicle. So I went up into the Mercedes-Benz dealership and I had a $63,000 check. Come to find out, with a certain a loan company, that wasn't the case. So when they came back with all the information, they wanted me to put like $10,000 down. I was like, no sir, I ain't come to that today, you know? So they went back and they ran the information again and it came back no money down. That's exactly what I'm looking for. See, when you run these plays, you want to make sure you're not putting no money down. You don't want no money out of pocket. Because what we do is we put these cars on Turo and they pay for themselves. So now, as I just showed you, this is a beautiful car. I never came out in the pocket, right? No money down, I'm not paying for it, and I can use it for advertising to scale other business and market myself in the way that, okay, damn, he riding a little bit better. He making moves. And it's just a scale up from here. When we go in the office, I'm gonna break that down more. All right, y'all, so what we about to do is we about to finish up here, get this baby up and going. We about to go ahead and take the pictures out here in this nice scenery so we can go ahead and put it in the market and start making this money. So we'll meet you back at the office and we'll finish up with this. All right, so we back in the office. Let's go over why I purchased this vehicle and what I feel like, what I know it's gonna do and how it's working for me. So let's go over this process right quick. All right. So first thing I do to check out the market, and I'm looking at the numbers and like, okay, that's not the actual numbers. For one, it's a Mercedes-Benz CLA class 2019. So let's expect to get a little more off of it. But if you can see right here, it says daily price $92 for 2018. And it says going out around 9 days and $672. And my daily earning, because of the payment plan I'm on, to be $69. Well, I haven't logged into my account on this one, so I'm thinking just giving some random information, because when I did it actually off my account, I got better rates than this right here. But what's what I'm saying about this play right here? Okay, so now I have a CLA 2019. It's only going out 10 days, possible 10 days. It's paying for itself. I didn't put no money down. It's 31 days in a month. So I still have a CLA to drive around if I wanted to do my credit repair company, talk about funding for businesses. So it just makes me look a lot better on a marketing perspective, right? You know, when I put it on my Instagram, I just made a YouTube video of this. So it's out there now that I have a Mercedes-Benz. So that's advertising, right? So before we go into really what's going on with this play, I want you to think about this right here. I'm all trying to show you about the credit play. So we went from the Impala and the Corolla, which we got a deal going on right now. We might be upgrading, so stay tuned for that play. And of course, I'm gonna show you exactly how I ran that play too. But we got the Impala and the Corolla, right? All right, so we put a few dollars down. No, matter of fact, no money down on that. Or I don't forgot now, honestly. But that play comes, or I did one, no money down, the other one money down, something like that. So that play comes, right? 8 months later, we level up. Now we go to the $30,000 bracket, right? I keep this Mercedes-Benz for another 8 months. Then you're going to see how much scale up I have 2 cars in mind, or just a certain criteria cars around the $75,000 range, right? You keep that for 8 months, then I can get a car up to $125,000. So basically right now, all I'm doing right now, interested in doing, is letting these cars pay for themselves, make a few hundred off of it, right? And keep scaling in and keep scaling up. Because by the time I'm done with what I'm doing and I'm walking it up step by step, I'll be able to ride off with a Lambo or a Wraith or a G-Wagon, no money down. But now we making money. See, now we got vehicles that's advertised in rap videos that people want to do weddings with, right? That people want to do prom with, right? You know, it's $1,500 a day. We worked ourselves up. Now we have a car payment of $3,000, but now only 2 days it's going to pay for itself. So see, everybody always in their situation where about, oh, is it making money right now? See, where I'm headed at with my vehicles, I went from economy. Now I'm more on a luxury level. Like I say, we're trying to get out of these economies. I'm trying to go all luxury now. Then it's going to go to more exotic, then the higher exotic, then the supercars. I'm working up step by step. But when I get to the Lambo, I don't want to put $20,000 down. You know what I'm saying? I want to be able to drive off and get straight to the bag, because I know how to turn a liability into an asset now. So this is basically what they saying on the Turo calculator. You go to Turo calculator and you can see how your car's going to perform in your area. You see we listed it in Fort Lauderdale. We put the information in, and that's that. Okay, so I already pull this up as well. In my actual market, my current area, the same car I got right now is going out, 140 a day. And they got 1 trip in already. Don't that look just like mine? And look at this one right here, 76. But look at the background and how they advertise it, right? Let's go down a little bit and look at my market, right? See what my competition is. 120 a day. They ain't got no bookings yet. I'm already an all-star host. So what happens when I put mine up here for 85, 90 a day, get 5 bookings, and then I scale it up? I can scale it up and I can get 110 just like them. But you see where I went and took my car? It's all about the backdrop. You see what I'm saying? This right here, 2022, 102 a day. Part of that they have, not saying they ain't doing nothing wrong or right. Just, reason I can get 16 a day when they was advertising 9 is how we had put everything together. You know what I mean? Let's see this one right here. Okay, 2020, already got 28 trips in, 113 a day. Okay. So this right here in the parking lot, 2022, 116. So we know we're going to at least get 97 to 100 a day, right? Listen, if you're not getting enough trips on Turo, add it to Get Around. And there's apps when you can connect the calendars. So if they booking on Turo, it's going to take off on Get Around. If they book it on Get Around, it's going to take off on Turo. So it's both calendars on one calendar. So you can get more performance out of your vehicle. But this vehicle right here is, I just want to go ahead now, today, we're going to go ahead and put it on the market just to see how it's going to produce. You know what I mean? What kind of results we're going to get out of it, right? But we see in my market, it's not that many of them, and it's 100 or better. The only one that was saying 76, but, look how they put it together up there. Not saying nothing wrong, but, yellow is okay. It's an eye-catcher color. Somebody, especially down in Florida, they like those colors like that. But, and just in the background and stuff like that, you want to go take it somewhere, and get it perfect. Not like we did ours off the iPhone 13, but if you don't have high quality pictures, you want to go get it, a photographer to really create these images for you, because you want it to be eye catchy. How we doing it and doing the inside pictures and putting it out there is eye catchy. That's why we gonna get bookings. I guarantee you, as soon as I post this video, as soon as I finish my post and my listing and get everything up and running how I want to, we get a booking today. I can guarantee you that. So this car is going to pay for itself. I didn't put no money into it. When I went and got the tracking device, I used a credit card. When I went and got the tent, I used a credit card. When I went and got it installed, I used a credit card. I use credit cards while I'm fueling it. So I don't have no money into this car right now. We're going to book it and go ahead and start creating a passive income for it. It's going to pay for itself. Keep it for 8 months, and then stay tuned by the summer, because that's going to be summertime. After the summer, watch what you see me jump into next. And stay tuned on this play we doing today. We about to actually go sit down with some people and see if we can upgrade one of the vehicles now, and y'all see exactly what I'm jumping into too. So like I said, middleman, from mud to the riches, man. Y'all seeing step by step. Don't wait, not wait until You know, you see us coming 6 figures, 7 figures. Not waiting until I get there and be like, oh, this how y'all seeing the process. We document step by step on how we doing this thing. And hopefully y'all like this video. Please subscribe, share with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all see somebody really sharing you game step by step, and you can go from my first video to right now and seeing the progression and seeing, okay, he's showing me literally how to level up. I just showed you how to get a CLL 250. It's paying for itself. The other vehicle is helping you pay for itself, put money in your pocket and insurance. Just think about this right here, right? I got 3 vehicles now. Minimum, these cars are giving me a profit of $200 after all the expenses. So now that's at least an extra $600 coming in my pocket to help pay for things, and that's taking care of the car insurance and their car note. And it's putting $600 in my pocket. That can go towards my rent or towards other expenses or to run another business because I have multiple businesses. So keep that in mind, guys. Until next time, be great.